I study medical science at the Montfort University. I picked this course because I knew I wanted to go into healthcare, but I wasn't 100% sure what yet. What I really liked about the course is how broad it is. You get to try loads of different areas, from lab work to more clinical skills. And block teaching is honestly such a bonus, because you focus on one thing at a time instead of juggling loads of modules. My favourite part has definitely been the practical side. You're not just sat in lectures, you're actually in the lab, learning techniques and exploring topics like cancer biology, genetics, and how the body responds to different medicines. It just makes everything feel more real. The lectures are great and they've done loads of research, so they bring interesting examples and real-life context into their teaching. This course is accredited by the Royal Society of Biology, ensuring you're taught current developments in the field and are prepared for a range of careers. I've gained so many skills since starting, like confidence, time management, teamwork, and even public speaking, which I never thought I would enjoy. There's loads of opportunities after the course, whether that's going into research, doing a PhD, applying for graduate entry medicine, or even working in medical sales. I would definitely recommend this course if you like science and want to keep your options open. You learn a bit of everything and it really helps you figure out what you enjoy. Studying medical science has turned out to be the best decision I've made.